Previously on the Stikbot Advent Calendar unboxing. Who's gonna review the Advent Calendar?
I'm Green Clickbot, and welcome to the 2025 Stikbot Advent Calendar unboxing. What the bot is that?
Can you guys help me out of here? We'll take you back to base to get repaired. We call it the Florage. I am Dominus.
What are you playing, Dominus?
I'm not telling you. Later, losers. Ugh, what did Dominus do to get himself on a coin like this?
I don't know. We still don't know what his motives are.
Gah, I thought for sure it'd be here. The search continues. Where am I?
I wonder who that Stikbot is. He looks familiar.
I can't quite put my suction cup on it, but I feel like I've seen his symbol before.
So you're telling me that you're the real Green Clickbot we were supposed to be opening the Advent Calendar with?
And you're telling me that there's another imposter Green Clickbot that's been opening the Advent Calendar this whole time, and you're one of the Stikbots that came out of it? Welcome back to the Stikbot Advent Calendar unboxing. We only have 3 more doors to open, so without further ado, let's open up door 22. It looks like in this door, we got another Stikbot. This one comes in the solid red color. It also has some white suction cups, white face printing, and some printing on the torso and on the legs.
Hey, wait a second. That symbol on your chest is the same as the one on this coin we got from yesterday.
Oh hey, yeah, that's actually me on the other side of that coin.
Wait, that's you on that coin? Oh my gosh, can I have your autograph? You must be famous.
Something like that. I'm a hero, and my name is, I can't remember.
Another mysterious memory loss case, huh? Well then, how about we call you Victor?
Victor? Yeah, that sounds about right. You may call me Victor.
So do those wings just grow out of your back or what?
Oh no, it's much more simple than that, you'll see. There, your leg should be as good as new.
Thanks, Doc. Now I can finally leave this place.
So this must be the place I've been looking for. Dominus, what are you doing here?
Who is he?
He's another Stikbot that came out of the Advent Calendar like me, but he flew away one day and we hadn't seen him since then.
Did somebody say Dominus? But we defeated him and sealed him ages ago.
Well, if it isn't the Stikbot Legends. Yes, while it may be true you defeated a different Dominus, you see, I am a clone of the original Dominus.
A clone? But how?
It all started when Zing needed some new Stikbots for their little Advent Calendar. So, they created some clones based off of the Stikbot Legends, and erased most of their memories so that they could be treated as separate characters from the originals. Wait, does that mean that Magenta and Haunter are clones too? Is that why they couldn't remember their names? I, however, was able to keep my memories, thanks to my dark magic, and I was able to see the last thing the original Dominus saw, him being defeated by these 3. Which brings us to now. I'm here to find the original Dominus, so I can unseal him, and together we will continue his campaign of destruction. Now, if you'll excuse me, I have some cleaning out to do. Aha! Now you guys can play with the box.
Look out!
Yes, here it is.
That creepy keychain from last year's Advent Calendar! I knew I heard its whispering down here.
Now to cast my unsealing spell. Finally, at long last, I am free from that keychain.
Wait, so there was a freak sealed inside that keychain the whole time?
Welcome back, Dominus number 1. I am your clone, and it was I who unsealed you from your prison. Well then, excellent work, other Dominus. Come now, let us go find a place to cause some chaos. Ha ha ha!
Everybody out now! Ugh. Is everyone okay?
Yep, I think that was all of us.
We need to go back up to the surface and stop those 2 Dominuses before something bad happens.
And I need to find the guy that broke my leg and make him pay.
Wait, before you go, you might need some gear. Come with me to the armory.
Welcome back to the Stikbot Advent Calendar unboxing. After today, there'll only be one more door left to open. So let's go ahead and open up the semi-final door. Looks like in door 23, we got some more accessories.
Hey, this is my gear.
First, there's another one of these back pieces to put on your Stikbot's back. Then there are these massive blue wings, which can attach to the back piece on these ball joints. Next up is this blue helmet with horns sticking out the sides. You can put this over your Stikbot's head like this. Finally, we have another arm piece with a peg on it for your Stikbot's arm, and this shield piece, which attaches to the arm piece using the peg.
Shoot, I should have brought more bullets. I thought I'd only need one shot. Green Clickbot, what was that?
Hey, look, it's Ethan. Where have you been?
I got knocked off the table by one of those heads, but that's when I discovered a place called the Floorage and found the real Green Clickbot.
What? That's the real green clickbot?
Yup. The one you've been with has been an imposter who took my place the whole time.
And that's not all. We encountered Dominus down there, and he revealed that he's actually a clone of another Dominus who he was looking for, and also that some of you guys are actually clones too of these three, the Stikbot Legends.
Those bots do look like us.
But anyways, there are 2 Dominuses on the loose right now, and if we don't find them soon, we're gonna be in big trouble.
Green, is all that he's saying true? Are we clones?
Of course not. That fable makes no sense, and even if it did, they got their information from Dominus. We can't trust Dominus. In fact, what if these guys are under Dominus's control? That other green clickbot did try to shoot me. I bet Dominus is using them to try and take over the Advent Calendar unboxing. We gotta stop them.
Give it up, Olive. You're not gonna convince anyone with your lies anymore.
We're with you, Green Clickbot.
Okay, I guess you can convince anyone who lacks wisdom.
Alright, bots. Let's take them down.
Whatever. I've been waiting for this.
Ow!
Whoops. Sorry, Magenta. I'm still not used to this weapon.
I'm okay.
You lack experience. Oh!
Here. Oh!
It's over, Olive. Drop your weapon and surrender.
There.
And now to show everyone who you truly are. He's not green. He's some kind of metallic olivey color.
Come on, guys. Wasn't it obvious at this point? I thought we were on the same page here.
I actually did kind of figure out who he was a while ago.
Then why'd you start fighting us if you knew?
I don't know.
Fine, I confess. I'm not the real green clickbot. He is, and I pushed him off the table to take his place. As for if you guys are clones or not, I genuinely don't know.
Still, why would you lie to us, man? We trusted you. I want to know, too. For all the trouble you've caused everyone, we deserve answers.
Guys, I think that might have to wait.
What an amusing performance.
It's Dominus again.
Now that you fools have tired yourselves out, there's no one to stop us from destroying this land. Allow us to demonstrate our power. Behold, this is your final day. In just a few short moments, this moon will be sent hurling towards this table, destroying everything in sight. Better say bye to your loved ones, cause the clock is ticking. This is bad. What are we gonna do?
No worries, dear Stikbot. I shall fly up there and stop them. Up, up, and away! Uh-oh. My wings aren't working either. They must have broken when we collided with each other. Dang it, dude.
We have to work together. Other Ruble, help me shoot it down. Actually, my name's Magenta, but okay.
Ha! They can't even reach us.
Come on, people, think bigger. We're gonna need more than that to stop a moon. Didn't you guys get something capable of mass destruction in this advent calendar, like some guns or a magic staff or something like that?
No. All we got were the Legends accessories and some hats.
Wait, really? Huh. I think that's a first for these advent calendars.
Mass destruction? Wait a minute, we do have something! The heads!
The whats?
3, 2, 1!
Bouncy, bouncy!
Impossible! Not even the heads can stop it. We're doomed!
Another pathetic attempt! Bravo! We can just sit here and take their attacks before launching the moon. Their power is nothing compared to ours.
Hey
guys! You still have one more door! Wait, you guys! We still have hope! There's one more door to open!
Of course! Whatever's in there might be able to help us.
Allow me to do the honor.
It's
Oh, oh! They finally put me in one of these advent calendars.
This is a solid red Stikbot with white suction cups, printing on the front and back of the torso, and the iconic beard and hat.
Hey, cut the music. We don't have time for this part. Santa, there are two dudes up there named Dominus that are about to launch a moon into us and kill us all. We need you to stop them. Alright, let me check if they're on the naughty list first. Here we are. Alright, I guess I'll give them a good whooping.
Wait, is that the guy from Christmas?
I am Santa, and you will not ruin Christmas. Not today! Not ever! He did it! He actually did it! We're saved! Ho, ho, ho!
Look, Green, I'm sorry for knocking you off the table. The reason I did it is because, well, you remember that argument we had when we first met?
You mean when we were fighting over who was the real green clickbot?
Yeah, that one. You see, when you said I was a metal olive clickbot, not a green clickbot like yourself, to me that meant something different. It meant that you were saying that I couldn't be like you.
Say what now?
The truth is, I look up to you, and I've admired the work you've done on all your advent calendar videos, and I wanted to do one of my own. But I went about it in the wrong way and took things too far. Will you forgive me?
Oh, I see. You thought I was saying that you couldn't do the whole unboxing and review stick as well as I do. Well, I've got a newsflash for you, Olive. You did great with the unboxing.
Wait, you saw all the unboxings?
Yup. Ethan showed me the unboxing videos, and we watched them all together in the Florage. And I think you're a natural at Advent Calendar unboxings. And look, even though you're not a one-to-one clone with me, that didn't stop you from figuring out how to make your own unboxing. So what I'm trying to say is, even though you'll never be me, through your own efforts and perseverance, you became a lot more like a green clickbot than I think you realize. Good job.
Aw, thanks, Green. I learned from the best. Heh, I guess even clones have to learn from the best too, huh? Well, all the doors are open now, so I suppose there's nothing left for me to do. I guess I'll be on my way now.
Hey wait, Olive! There's one more thing you forgot to do.
I did? What's that?
Set up the Christmas tree.
Come on, Olive, help us set up the tree.
Sure, okay.
And so, with the two Dominuses defeated, and their grievances hashed out, everyone began decorating the Christmas tree. While I helped myself to their cookies and milk. Oh ho, I did save the day after all. So we all lived happily ever after. The end.